Oh, you mean like this?
This like
Like this?
My favorite thing.
Oh yeah, I would have been in there getting good toasty. Funny, hear me? I would have been in there getting toasty.
The mouth can move. Look.
So you're normie. So you're normie. That's crazy.
Mommy, look. His mouth can move in it.
Oh yeah, I see it. It's a mouth in his mouth. It's moving. Look.
I just tried to show you something.
Ooh, look at the foot. Look at his card. Oh, that's freaky.
Look, his mouth is moving.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah, I see it. And the mouth is moving. Oh, that's freaky. Give me my
See, that's why I be telling you, you need to come down through here and start seeing what they be having.
Tay, pick your bag up.
Take them. Mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
Jason.
Mommy, when are we leaving? Mommy, when are we leaving?
Ready to go?
Billy got them.
That's why I said I'll get them a candy bag or something.
Look, Mommy.
All right, come on. Let's go the other way. Come on.
Oh, now it's gonna be by the
Huh? With the blick? No?
It's the perfect time. No, look.
Hell no. Alright. You ain't lying, this is the perfect time. Oh. What is he doing? far from me.
What car? That blue car?
Yeah. And the yellow one.
That motherfucker nasty.
Yeah, yellow one looks like that.
I can't have nothing.
Candy corn.
Ain't had nothing like that.
Guys, stay right back here by Papa. Papa, you can walk around with
The food truck is over there.
Wanna go see her?
Like a hot dog stand. I see a black dude standing there. It's a 30. It's a 30-40. You hear me? Drill said he done.
It stinks. Look, you can actually see
Just spit all over this shit. Are y'all going in there?
I think Oz is just gonna get him a big bag.
Dinosaur! Dinosaur!
Come on, Fat.
Dinosaur!
Alien versus Predator. Hey, Quanisha. Moody.
I can hear you, but I
Come on, Tata. Wizard of Oz. You hear me? Tay Tay. Come on. It's over with. We're going home now. We're going home.